Okay, this might be a first, but I looked here and I'm like, okay, moldy tapes. What is that? It's like some sort of spider nest broken through. Let's check this out. This is kind of ooh. Yeah, that's what is that? Something insecty. Yeah, that's definitely like a spider's made its home inside of a VHS tape. That's a spider nest. So where you saw that that opening, that little opening in the sack, that was where all the little spiders came out. Great. My God, people, please, if you've got your stuff in the garage or attic or anywhere, ugh. Yeah, that is a sack of something. That spider made his home in there. But yeah, if you've got any of your stuff in the attic, garage, any humid, I mean, my God, anywhere non-climate controlled, damp basements, please get your stuff out of those areas right now.